Did you do something bad? Oh, it's okay. Oh, look at that sweet face. Who could resist? How do we get her out?
Should we release her?
How do you get her out of there?
I'm just gonna like...
Look at her arms are like stuck.
I know.
You
She
can't
can't
pull her
even
out of the
extend
sleeve.
them. No, I'm gonna try and shove her back in.
Okay.
Okay.
Back into the birth canal.
Okay, let's...
What a stranger.
Back it up. Back.
Oh,
There it is. There it is.
Okay. Oh, nope. She might go
All
out
right,
the other
be
sleeve.
cool.
There we go.
There we go.
You're safe.
There we go. There we go. Yes. Oh, you silly girl.
Are you excited to be back out of there? All right. No playing in sweaters, baby. Say bye. Okay, bye.